April of last year, Doubletree by Hilton officially revealed their signature chocolate chip cookie recipe. I will be making the full recipe today, so here are the ingredients. 226 grams of butter, 2 large eggs, 6.25 ml vanilla extract, 45 grams rolled oats, 1.25 ml freshly squeezed lemon juice, cinnamon powder, a teaspoon of baking soda, 6 grams salt, 220 grams chopped walnuts, 164 grams granulated sugar, 150 grams light brown sugar. I don't have a Nestle Tall House, so I'm using Caribou chocolate chips, and 280 grams oat flour. I'm using a combination of these two finest Belgian chocolates from Caribou. So first, we're going to cream the butter. I'll be using my hand mixer for today. And then add in your brown sugar and white sugar and continue mixing. Mix on medium speed for about 2 minutes. Add 2 eggs, vanilla, and lemon juice, and blend with the mixer on low speed for 30 seconds. Using a spatula, scrape the sides of the bowl. And then continue mixing on medium speed for about 2 minutes or until light and fluffy. Now let's add our dry ingredients: flour, rolled oats, salt, and cinnamon powder. And then mix all the ingredients. And next step is adding our chocolate chips and walnuts. This is the first time ever that Doubletree by Hilton shared its official bake-at-home recipe for the brand's beloved and delicious chocolate chip cookie. So a home baker like you and me can create the warm and comforting treat in our own kitchen. This is a full recipe, that's why it really looks a lot. I like saving some cookie dough and I keep it in the freezer, and whenever anyone feels like eating cookies, I can take some out and bake it right away. Now I'm ready to scoop out some dough about a tablespoon on a baking sheet 2 inches apart. I usually like our cookies to be just about a tablespoon, but if you want to make it bigger, you can add more to this portion. Bake your cookies for 20 to 23 minutes in a preheated oven of 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Let me show you how I save the remaining cookie dough. I roll the cookie dough into small balls like this and line them in a baking tray. I keep it in the fridge for about an hour so that the cookie dough gets hard. Once done, I divide the dough and place 6 to 7 pieces per resealable plastic bag. It all depends on you on how many cookies you want to bake per batch later on. You can store your frozen unbaked cookies for about 3 months in your freezer. Whenever you crave for some cookies, take one bag out of the freezer, and in fact, there's no need to thaw or soften the dough. You can bake your frozen cookies straight away. And here is our signature Doubletree chocolate chip cookies. According to the Hilton website, more than 30 million are consumed every year, and the Doubletree chocolate chip cookie even became the first food to be baked in orbit during experiments aboard the International Space Station. Copycat's recipes have been shared online for years, but only now has Hilton released the official version to create at home. I personally appreciate the sweet thought of Hilton for sharing their recipe during the height of the pandemic last year. And according to their press release, they mentioned that a warm chocolate chip cookie can solve everything, but it can bring a moment of comfort and happiness. They hope that families enjoy the fun of baking together during their time at home. I hope you enjoy our video today. Thanks for joining me. Until next time!